Good morning, students. In the last classes, we are seeing the chapter differential equation, under which we are solving the board examination questions. In the previous class, we have seen the concept of the differential equation. There are three methods to solve differential equation, and we have seen some examples of this chapter. Now today we will see some other board examination questions. Okay, let's see. The first question is: find the particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to x plus y cos x plus y cos x by 1 plus sin x. Okay, friends. So this is our next question, and here is given y is 1 and when x is 0. Okay, friends. And this question is asked in CBSE 2016. Okay, friends. This question is asked in CBSE 2016, and this we have to solve and find its solution. Okay, students, so first of all, students, we write this dy by dx is equal to x by 1 plus sin x plus y cos x by 1 plus sin x. And students, we take this part left hand side and we write dy by dx minus cos x by 1 plus sin x, and this is x here y and x by 1 plus sin x. Okay, student, and now we are seeing that this is the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So students, this is of the type linear differential equation. Okay, students, so we are seeing that our p is, when we compare cos x by 1 plus sin x, and q is 1 plus sin x. Okay, students, so p and q. So students, in the question here is minus, and so it will be minus and this will be minus, so we get this is positive and this part q is negative. Okay, students, so our q is minus x by 1 plus sin x and p is this. So students, for solving this linear differential equation, you know it well, we first find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is e to the power p dx e to the power p, which is cos x by 1 plus sin x dx. Okay, students, so this is our integrating factor, students, and we integrate this and we get, that is our, when we take this part is t, students, so when we take this is t, so cos x dx we get, so we get log e to the power log of 1 plus sin x, students. So this is it. So our integrating factor will be 1 plus sin x from here. Our integrating factor is 1 plus sin x. Okay, students, so this is our integrating factor, and now you know the solution of differential equation is given by y into the integrating factor, which is 1 plus sin x is equal to integration of q, which is minus x by 1 plus sin x, and our integrating factor 1 plus sin x dx plus c. Okay students, now we are saying that this numerator and denominator will cancel. We get just what? Minus x dx. Okay students, now student, we write this y 1 plus sin x is equal to minus x dx plus c, and in indication of this we can write x square by 2 plus c, and this is y 1 plus sin x. Okay, and students, we have to give an x is 0 and y is 1. So 1 plus 0, which is x, 0 plus c, c is equal to 1, and we write the solution 1 plus sin x is equal to minus x square by 2 plus 1, and we write students y is equal to 2 minus x square by 2 and 1 plus sin x. So this will be our particular solution of this differential equation. Okay students, so let's see once again. Our dy by dx is this students, and given that find the particular solution when y is 1 and x is 0. So students, first of all we are separating this and we are taking this to the left hand side and getting dy by dx plus py is equal to q. I'm comparing with this, we are getting that p is this and q is this. Now for solving linear differential equation students, we know we first find the integrating factor. So we know the formula is called p dx. We put the value, we take this part as t and we get log 1 plus sin x, and it gives us 1 plus sin x dx. Now students, solution of differential equation will be y into integrating factor, integration of q into integrating factor plus c. This part will be cancelled, we get minus x dx, and y 1 plus sin x is minus x dx plus c, and this will be students minus x square by 2 plus c, and here x is 0, c is 1, so y 1 plus sin x is minus x square by 2 plus 1, so it will be our solution. I hope you understand students. Now we move to next question. So next question is students, find the solution of the differential equation cot inverse y plus x dy, which is equal to 1 plus y square dx. Okay friends, so this is our next question and we have to find the solution of this differential equation. So first of all students, we write this dx by dy is equal to cot inverse y plus xy 1 plus y square, and dx by dy is, we can write student, minus xy 1 plus y square, which is cot inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay students, when we compare this dx by dy plus x, px is equal to q, so p is minus 1 by 1 plus y square, and q is cot inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay students, now this is our linear differential equation students, so we find its integrating factor again. So we write e to the power p dy. So we write e to the power minus 1 by 1 plus y square dy. So this is equal to e to the power cot inverse y. Okay students, so this is e to the power cot inverse y. Now solution of the required differential equation, students. So we will write solution is x integrating factor cot inverse y, which is integration of q cot inverse y by 1 plus y square into integrating factor cot inverse y dy plus c. Okay students, now we find the integration of this and get the solution. Okay students, so for find out the integration of this, students, we take this part is cot inverse y is our t. So we get, student, so students, we let cot inverse y is t, and student integration differentiation of this is minus 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dt. So we write, student, here x e to the power cot inverse y is equal to, this we can write, students, minus e to the power t and dt, e to the power t, and this part is dt, and here t. Okay students, and this is our c. So students, we are seeing that here we are getting, now we apply the by part, student, here. So x e to the power cot inverse y. So here we write first function integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function. Integration of second function is t dt. Okay students, so x e to the power cot inverse y is minus t e to the power t plus e to the power t plus c. So students, x e to the power cot inverse y is minus t. Our t is, student, cot inverse y, and e to the power t. This we can write cot inverse y plus e to the power cot inverse y plus c. So our x is, student, minus cot inverse y plus 1 plus c e to the power minus cot inverse y. Okay students, so this will be our solution. 1 minus cot inverse y plus c e to the power minus cot inverse y. I hope you understand, students. So let's see once again what we have done in this question. Our question is cot inverse y plus x dy is 1 plus y square dx, and dx by dy is equal to, we can write this cot inverse y plus x by 1 plus y square, and this is dx by dy. We take this is to the left hand side, x by 1 plus y square, and cot inverse y by 1 plus y square. Okay students, so this we can write dx upon dy plus px is equal to q, and p is this and q is this. When we are comparing with a standard equation of linear differential equation, we get p and q. Now after this we can find out our integrating factor, students. So integrating factor is e to the power p dx p dy. So e to the power minus 1 by 1 plus y square dy, we can write e to the power cot inverse y. The differentiation of this, integration of this will be cot inverse y, students. Now solution will be x integrating factor integration of q and integrating factor plus c. So cot inverse y is t students, so minus 1 by 1 plus y square divided is dt. So students, we write x e to the power cot inverse y, which is equal to minus, this is t e to the power t dt plus c. So x e to the power cot inverse y is minus, we apply here first and second by part students. So we write first function integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function integration of second function is and plus c. Okay students, so again we write the integration of this is t, so we get this. Now we put the value of t students and divide with this term, we get the solution. I hope you understand students. Now we move to next question. So next question is students, x dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0, and given that x is equal to 2 and y is pi. Okay students, so this is our next question. We have to find the solution, particular solution of this question. So first of all students, we make and check that which type of form is this. So we divide with x and we get dy by dx minus y by x plus sin y by x is equal to 0, and this we can write student y by x minus sin y by x. Okay, so dy by dx is our y by x minus sin y by x. Now students, we have seen that this is the power of the numerator and denominator is same. So this is our homogeneous differential equation students. So we write it is homogeneous differential equation. So students, dy by dx, we will let student y is equal to dx and we differentiate this. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx students. Because in the homogeneous method, we always take y is equal to bx and then we solve. Okay students, and we differentiate this and we write at the place of dy by dx is v plus x dv dx. At the place of y, we write this. So we can write here students v x dv by dx is vx by x minus sin y is vx by x student. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to, this will be v minus sin v. This v and v will cancel students, so x dv by dx is equal to minus sin v. Okay students, I hope you understand students. Now we make this. Okay students, this now we separate the variable students. So we write this. We write this students dv by sin v, and this is dx and x. Okay students, So this is student, sorry, this is 1 by x and this is minus. Now students, we integrate both sides, we get this is, we can write cosec b dv, and here we write students log of x plus c. Okay students, after integrating we get this terms, and students, you know, this is integration of cosec b. The integration of cosec b is log cosec b plus cot b, and we write this to the left hand side, log x is equal to c. Okay students, so now students, we can write this, our b is log, our b is y by x, so we write cosec y by x cot y by x, and this is log mod x is equal to c. Okay students, now student, in the next step, what we can write student, we put the value of x and y, which is, this will be negative students, and we put x is 2 and y is pi, so we write log cosec pi by 2 minus cot pi by 2 plus log 2 is equal to c. So cosec 90 is 1 by sin 90, so this is 1 student, and this is cot 90, which is tan 0. So students, we are seeing log 1 and this is plus log 2. So student, our c is log 2, and now we put the value here, we get the solution log cosec y by x minus cot y by x into x is equal to log of 2. Okay students, and this log and log will cancel students, and we get the solution, which is log cosec y by x minus cot y by x is equal to 2. Okay students, so this will be our required solution of this differential equation. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again what we have done in this question. The question is x divided by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0, and we have to, given that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to pi, we have to find the solution of this question. Okay students, so first of all students, we are doing free this dy by dx, we are dividing the whole equation by x, we are getting this, and this will be 0, and now dy by dx we can write y by x minus sin y by x. So students, this is, we are seeing the power of y in numerator and denominator is same students, so it will be our homogeneous differential equation students. Now you know that for solving homogeneous differential equation, we always use students y is equal to bx, so dy by dx is equal to b plus x dv by dx. Now we put this value here, b plus x dv by dx is equal to bx by x minus sin bx by x. So this is cancelled, this is cancelled. We are getting b plus x dv by dx is equal to b minus sin b, and b will be cancelled students. We get x dv by dx is minus sin b. So students, we can write this dv by sin b is equal to dx by x with negative sign. And you know students, after that we integrate this, we get this part is can be written as cosec b, and this will be minus log x plus c. And friends, this is log modulus cosec x cosec b minus cot b, plus this is, we take left hand side, log mod x is equal to c. And friends, you know this b can be written as in x and y by x, y by x, and this is, and friends, we have to given x is 2, y is pi, so we put the value of x and y here. We get this is log 1 and minus 0 and log 2, so c is 2, log 2 students. We are putting this value in this equation. We are getting this is log m plus log n, so log m into n, and this log and log will cancel students. We get the result cosec y by x minus cot y by x is equal to 2. I hope you understand students. Now we move to the next question. Next question is friends, solve the differential equation dy by dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x, and given that y is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 3. Okay students, so we have to find the particular solution of this question. Okay students, so first of all students, we see that this is of the form dy by dx py is equal to q, and when we compare this standard equation to this given equation, we get p is 2 tan x and our q is sin x. Okay, now you know, for finding out the solution of such type of linear equation, we first find the integrating factor students. So you know it will be e to the power p dx, so it will be 2 tan x dx, so it will be 2 to the power, e to the power 2 sec square x, this will be log sec x student. Okay, integration of tan x is 2 log sec x student, so we send this side here, so we get e to the power, so we write e to the power log sec square x student, so it will be sec square x. Now students, the solution of differential equation is given by y into integrating factor sec square x is equal to integration of q, which is sin x, into sec square x dx. Okay student, so we write this sin x by cos x into sec x dx. So student, this is sec x and tan x dx students. So this is the integration of sec x. Okay, and y is sec square x student. So now we put y is 0 and x is pi by 3. So now we change here, we write y is 0, so right hand side, left hand side is 0. So sec pi by 3 plus c. So sec pi by 3 means sec 60, and this is 1 by 2. So this will be equal to minus 2 students. So C is equal to minus 2. Now students, we put it in the given equation and we get the solution y is equal to, we write sec x by sec square x plus c by sec square x students. So we write this will be cancelled, this will be 1 sec x 1 by cos. So this is cos x plus c cos square x, and the value of c is minus 2. So the solution is students y is equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x. So this will be the solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again. We are comparing with the equation this, with P and Q is this students. So indicating factor is this, and solution of differential equation will be y and indicating factor, integration of Q into indicating factor, and we are seeing this part. This can be written as sec x tan x. This is the integration of sec x students, and we put the value get c is minus 2, and putting in the equation we get the particular solution of that question. Okay student, thank you so much for today.